Hello friends, welcome again, and today I will share some couplet of Kabir Das ji. I hope you all like it. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपनो गोविंद ये मिला है. Here Sant Kabir Das ji says the teacher is even higher than God. He says, if teacher and God are both in front of me, who will I greet first? He then says, it is only because of the teacher's teaching that I can understand what is God or I can see God. कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में सबकी मांगे खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से बैर. Sant Kabir Das ji says that you should always think well of everyone. Do not be over friendly with anyone, nor should you be hostile to anyone. अति का भला न बोलना, अति की भली न चूप, अति का भला न बरसना, अति की भली न धूप. In this couplet, Sant Kabir Das ji says that too much of anything is bad. So one must exercise control and be moderate in everything. Too much talking is not good, neither is too much quietness. Just like how too much rain is not good and neither is too much sunshine. माला फेरत जुग बया फिरा न मन का फेर कर का मन का डार दे मन का फेर. In this couplet, Kabir Das ji says, this is sarcasm on people who follow religion blindly. Kabir ji says, you spend your life turning the beads of a rosary, but could not turn your own heart. Leave the rosary and try the change the evil in your heart. साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुम समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं साधु ना भूखा जाए. Sant Kabir Das ji requests God to give only as much so that he can feed his family, and if any guest comes, he should be able to feed him too. It means you should only have what you need. No use having too much. दुर्बल को न सताइए जाकी मोटी हाय, मरी खाल की सांस से लोह भस्म हो जाए. Kabir ji says that you should not oppress somebody weak, thinking that person cannot do any harm. Weak person's curse can do you great harm, just like hide from a dead animal can melt even iron. बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंथी को छाया नहीं फल लागे अति दूर. The Kabir Das ji says, it is no use being very big or rich if you cannot do any good to others. For example, the palm tree is also very tall, but it is of no use to traveler as it provides no shade, and the fruit is also at the top, so no one can eat easily. माटी कहे कुम्हार से तू क्या रौंदे मोए, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं रौंदूंगी तो. In this doha, Kabir ji says, soil tell the pot maker, you think you are kicking me and kneading me with your feet. There will be a day when you will be below me after death. I will need you. पाथर पूजे हरी मिले तो मैं पूजूं पहाड़, घर की चाकी कोई ना पूजे जाको पीस खाए संसार. Sant Kabir Das ji says, people worship idols made from stone. If it was possible to reach God this way, he would worship a hill. Instead, no one worships home floor mill, which gives us the floor to eat. ऐसी बानी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए, औरन को शीतल करे आपहु शीतल होए. Kabir Das ji says in this couplet that one should speak in such sweet language which makes everyone happy, not just yourself but also others who listen to you. Keep loving, keep learning and keep laughing. Thank you so much.